Hi guys, welcome to Chefika's kitchen. My name is Nesli and in today's episode I will make carrot cake. And here are my ingredients. I have here all-purpose flour, some finely grated carrots, toasted walnuts, regular cane sugar, some brown sugar, oil, 3 eggs, and over here I have cinnamon, salt, ground clove and allspice, and here I have baking powder and baking soda. First, I will crack in my eggs. Add my sugar in it, both of them, and let them very quick combine. After 5 minutes mixing on medium speed, I'm gonna add my oil in it. This is the consistency what we want to have. Now I take my flour, around the half of it, add my baking powder and baking soda in it, also my spices and salt, and my carrots. Important here with the carrots is that we want to squeeze the juice as much as possible out, that it doesn't change the consistency from our dough. Now I let them combine and add slowly the rest of my flour in it. After my flour is mixed in, I'm gonna add my walnuts in it and let them very quick combine. And here is my dough. I did go around with my spatula that I can get sure that all of the flour is really good mixed in my dough. Then I'm gonna pour in my cake batter in my baking pan. My cake batter is now ready to go in the oven. I did preheat my oven to 350 degrees. In meanwhile, I will prepare my cream cheese frosting. I have here some icing sugar, soft cream cheese, soft butter, and I like to add a little orange juice in it. First, I take my cream cheese and my butter and mix them now together until they get combined. Then I add my orange juice in it. Now I will start to add my icing sugar in it. First the half. First I like to stir it with my spatula, that I don't have everywhere icing sugar. When I see it's almost combined, I add the rest. My carrot cake did bake for around 60 minutes, but depending on your oven, the baking time will change. After that, I moved it to a cooling rack and let it cool down completely. Then I did cut it in 2 pieces. Now I'm ready to put my frosting on it. I placed my bottom part on my tray. Take a little of my frosting I did put the first layer of my frosting. Now I'm gonna take the second piece of my cake and just place it on top. And now I will cover my whole cake with my cream cheese frosting. I like the frosting on my carrot cake when it's imperfect. I just take my spatula and tap on it. To get that look. I did cover now my cake with my frosting. Before I'm gonna decorate it, I will put it in the fridge for around 30 minutes. My carrot cake is now ready to decorate. What I have for decoration is some chopped walnuts and some little carrots to put on top. I like to decorate my cake with the chopped nuts only on the side and really on the bottom part. I take some nuts and just place them around my plate. And then I'm gonna take a spatula and just slightly and carefully push them on my icing. After I did that, I go with my spatula under my cake and lift it and take it over to my serving plate. And now I just like to put some carrots on top of my cake. And this is my carrot cake. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.